Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we have a massive makeup haul. So I didn't buy all of this stuff at once. This is definitely a collection since I think about September-ish. So from September to literally the other day. So it's a large amount, you know, there's Christmas presents and it's just a large amount of stuff over a large amount of time. So it's definitely not, I can't afford to buy all this at once. It's definitely a long overdue haul. So yeah, let's get into it. In September on my holiday, I did grab a couple things just because when you're, you know, overseas, you want to grab things you can't get when you're at home. Something I got was the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I got it in 005, so I'm assuming it's either one of the or the lightest shade. You know, I've heard people talk about it, but because it's not a brand you can really get in Australia, I didn't really like pay much attention to it. So when I saw it in a pharmacy when I went to go buy razors, I was like, okay, cool, I'll try it. And I hadn't really heard anything about any other Catrice products besides the concealer, so I picked it up and we'll see how it goes. When I went to the Sephora in Singapore, I saw, like, this was the last one at the Sephora that I went to, of the Hamptons Weekender, like, trio from Tarte. I have the big contouring palette and then, like, the mini contouring one like this from Tarte. And this, at the time, was not available anymore from Sephora in Australia. I have no idea if you can get it again here or not. No idea. But at the time, I couldn't get it. I wanted it. It was annoying. I saw the last one, I grabbed it. So I got this one in Sephora Singapore. Oh, I didn't realize that, but they're magnetic. It just popped out. I'm like, oh my god, it's magnetic in there. Oh, okay. Didn't know that, but that's just what it looks like. You know, I'm a bit paler, so that contour shade looks like something I can actually, you know, get some use out of. So, and the blush is gorgeous, so I can't wait to dig into that. And I know I say I can't wait and I've had it for months, but every time I buy something, I just pop it in the drawer for haul. Like when I buy it, it goes into the drawer to do a next haul, and it just doesn't get touched until I haul it. And then when I haul it, it can go into my drawers for like my makeup collection. So like once they're in the collection, they're able to use, but first they have to be hauled, and you have to have enough stuff to haul. So I'm like, it's not a big deal to me, but you know, people are probably like, oh, you bought it and you've had it for ages and you never used it. I don't know, I hadn't hauled it yet. So I have no idea about the order of what I've bought apart from those two things that I knew I got in Singapore. I'm just gonna go through things. Yeah. So in one of the orders I did at Mecca, I got a Beauty Loop bonus. So it was this little box. It wasn't the Beauty Loop box for like year level. It was just a Beauty Loop bonus gift. And inside there is a Naked Skin from Urban Decay, like a highlighting liquid, and a Mecca Cosmetica lip mask. So that was a cute gift, I thought. Can't wait to chuck that into my mask thing. And I'm curious as to what this looks like. It's in the shade Luminous. Oh wow, so it's like a highlighter situation, like a doe foot. Oh yeah, so it'll blend out, like it's not going to be stark white or anything, but yeah, exciting. Thanks for the gift, Mecca. So something I did get ages ago, I wanted to do a first impression, but I went on holiday, literally. It arrived in my house when I was on holiday. It never happened. Then I came home and it was too late. No one would care. But it's the Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. I never tried the matte one because obviously I'm dry. But when the hydrating one came out, I was like, I have to have it. And I did something very, very brave that I kind of wish I didn't do. And I did not get the lightest shade. I got 120. I think there's a couple shades lighter than this. I thought I would be brave, but just looking at it through the package, I'm like, girl, I put so many foundations that are also pale. I thought, you know, if there's a day that I'm ever gonna be a little bit more tan, like, it's pale, but it's like yellow. So I'll make it work, but it's definitely not going to match that invisible neck, you know. We shall see. I'll just go, I've got some like, through a variety of orders, there was some samples. So there's a sample of a Dior Backstage foundation in the shade 1N. It's just up there. That's the lightest I could get, so I think it's still going to be too dark, but I'll give it a shot nonetheless. There's also a Sephora lipstick in the shade Rose. It's a cream lip stain. Give that a shot, you know, use the points. I think I also had some cards from It Cosmetics and Tarte Shape Tape, you know, just they come with it and stuff. I'm sure there's people here that are expecting to see the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab eyeshadow palette. I didn't buy it. I decided that I didn't think I would use the colors enough. Like, it was a gorgeous palette, but I just don't think I would have used it as much, especially considering the price. But a palette that did come out on the same day, I saw it and I knew I would use the colors, and that was the Shanaxo Heaps of Sweets palette. You know, half the price, and I would use it a bit more. So that is what the palette looks like. Definitely more wearable than the other one. Not that it wasn't wearable, but you know, I think I would use this a bit more. And I can see this one is so creamy, it's like leaking into the packaging. I do not know what's going on with that, but I'm sure it's fine. It's just an extremely creamy color, I assume. So yeah, excited to crack into this finally. I also got from Zoeva the Coral Spectrum Cheek Palette. So it's just a blush palette from Zoeva. I thought it looked really lovely. I really need to get into using more blushes. Like, I use blushes like every time I do my makeup, but I don't put them on very heavily. I just put them on like as quite a light wash, and I kind of want to get back into like a bit, not completely strong blush, but like stronger blush than, you know, contouring and highlighting kind of just taken over past couple years, you know, in everyone's makeup, and you know, I feel like I want to get back into blush a bit more. I also got, because you know, it's about time I try it, it is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. You know, I've heard nothing but great things about it, and I really want to give it a go. That's what it looks like. It better look good, is all I can say. And something I got that finally came to Mecca that I've been wanting to try forever, but you can't order it from overseas because it's an aerosol. It is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, like the aerosol one. Like, I know I have setting spray on, but I kind of just want to try it. Like, wow, that feels amazing. Like, one continuous fine mist rather than just like on your face, like ruining your makeup. Like, this is, I'm scared to say it's just after that one spray, it's going to get used. When I got the Shanaxo palette as well, I got a lipstick, and they gave us like a blending brush, kind of like as a gift when you bought the palette. It's just a flat eye brush. So yeah, that'll go into the collection of brushes. But I also picked up a lipstick. It is the Charity, like, Rescue Me shade for like the animals and stuff in New Zealand. So gorgeous. I have already tried it. That's what it looks like. Just a gorgeous creamy pink lipstick. And another lipstick I got as well was a classic that I didn't own yet, and that is the MAC lipstick in Ruby Woo. It's just like MAC lipsticks. Like, what do you think of Velvet Teddy and Ruby Woo? I have Velvet Teddy. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. But I didn't have Ruby Woo, and it's like the other like classic shade. So it's literally like a classic red lipstick. So now I own that one as well. Literally, I bought this the other day. It is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer in the shade number 1, so like the lightest one. I've heard nothing but amazing things about this, so I really want to give it a go. And something that was, you know, a treat to myself was the Fenty Diamond Bomb 2 highlighter. I have the original one, and I could not help myself in getting this one. So the original one's like pure glitter, and this one has like a pink shift to it. So exciting. And it's not like glitter glitter. It's the original. So it's not like, this is like chunks of glitter, but this one looks a bit smoother. But oh my god, so exciting. Also from Fenty, I got the Glossy Posse. It's like a Christmas set. I ordered before Christmas, October-ish, I think, when it came out. So it's like in this cardboard, if I can get it out. Like a cardboard sleeve in the bin. But it's in this like metal case. And look at those glosses. Like, oh, so gorgeous. Literally, I just kind of want to like have it displayed. It's so pretty. Like, it has to be displayed or something. So gorgeous. And another Christmas gift I got at the same time as that was the this little Tarte stacking cheek thing. There's 3 of these things, and it comes, you know, there's like a highlighter. Oh, I've already dinged it with my thing. Like a blush there, and then you twist it again, and there's like another color. So there's like 3 of these sort of things, kind of like the similar to like what the melt stacks used to be. So yeah, it's like another 3. It's just so awkward to do these. Oh, and then I don't think that'll be being used as a highlighter. I think it'll be more so an eyeshadow for me, but yeah, okay. These are really awkward to do that, but I thought these were really cool, and there's like 9 colors, so I was like, well, that's great value. And then I also got another Christmassy thing, is the Catch My Eye brush set from Morphe. I don't really have Morphe brushes, but I wanted to try some, and getting like a little eye set I thought was really good value. So there's 6 brushes in here, all, you know, different blending brushes and stuff like that. I just thought, you know, a cute set. Why is there 5? Oh, 6. You know, get me some Morphe brushes, but at a good price. Like, I feel like they're so overpriced, but to get the set of 6 for like 20 something bucks, that was like a more decent deal. And then I just got like 2 single Morphe brushes just like on the side to go with it, because I think they were like $3 or $4 each. One was 3, one was 4, I think. Because like all the Morphe brushes are like so expensive, but they had like a couple cheap ones. I was like, oh, I'll just chuck those on my order while I'm getting Morphe brushes. So yeah, I really needed some eye brushes. Got lots of face brushes, but not that many eye brushes. So I wanted to get some eye brushes to kind of, you know, bulk up my options for our family's Kris Kringles this year. I received some NARS gifts. See this little NARS Studio 54 like cracker situation. So let's open it. In the cracker, it comes with a little blush and a little lip pencil. They're in the shade Dolce Vita. So a little blush. I love NARS mini blushes. Because, you know, I got so much stuff, I won't use the full thing of even this, so why own something big? And then like a little crayon. It's a cute little duo. Also got this NARS Studio 54 soft core kit as well. Another NARS mini brush in the shade Torrid. And it also comes with this, what is it? A coloured lip balm. So cute. Gotta love little NARS minis. And then last but not certainly least, in that water when I got the Volume Concealer, there was 50% off some of their Christmas gifts. So I got a couple of these. I got this Sephora Give Me Some Bold Lip, like a Sephora Favorites gift. It was down to like 20 bucks. It was originally $42 with $110 value, but I got it for 20 bucks. And for how much you're getting in here, it's decent. So there's like, it's like full of lip products. So there's a full size Becca lipstick. It's like a bright, like orangey red. And then there is also a full size Huda Beauty liquid matte in the shade Heartbreaker. It's like a pinky red color. There's also a mini of the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy lip product. There's a little mini of the Nude Sticks lip glaze and a mini of this little Tarte lipstick in the shade Miami Vice. So yeah, I thought that was a cute little gift, and it was only 20 bucks, and you got like two full-size products, which both individually cost more than $20. So yeah, it's a really good value. And last but certainly least, I got this Sephora Favorites Makeup Superstars kit. So it comes in this sparkly bag. I didn't get it for the bag, but got it for the goodies inside. So you get a full size, I think this was $30, this one. I got a full size Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So individually, if you just get it for this, you've got your money. And then, because like I think this is $30 something, and then you got all this other stuff for free. So like I bought a mascara and I got free stuff. So there's also a full size, another Huda Beauty liquid matte in the shade Spice Girl. So this is kind of like a brownie color. There's also a mini Sigma angled brush. There's a mini Anastasia clear brow gel. A mini Nude Sticks color, I guess you could say, in like a goldy highlighty sort of color. Never tried Nude Sticks before. There's also a mini Cover FX translucent powder, but nothing but great things, so to try it out first is really good. Got a mini Professional. I've only ever used the minis of these because, you know, they come with everything. And a mini Marc Jacobs highliner. I've already got a mini of this, but you know, it's black eyeliner, you're gonna use it. And a Sephora eye makeup remover. So yeah, that is everything I have. That's everything I have bought in the last 5 months. 5 months worth of stuff. I can't believe I haven't done a haul in that long. But you can tell I seriously need to stop shopping. I mean, there was a couple of, you know, Kris Kringle gifts, a couple of Christmas presents, but most of it was me. Nothing's free, you know, I don't get PR. But yeah, I need to stop shopping, guys. Like, this is a intervention to myself. Stop buying things. So I guess I could say I'm on a little bit of a no buy. I say that. I said that last time. I needed it, guys. I needed it. Like, I couldn't have continued life without all the stuff. And just looking at it all over my counter, it just brings me joy. And I'm very strict with my money, but if it sparks the joy, goodbye money. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything that you have bought recently, and if there's anything that I have that you've tried it before, let me know. I'd love to know what you guys think of any of these products. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.